Oh look, it's the post lady. Is that for me?
Here's your delivery, Mr. Porterfield.
Oh, thank you. My post lady is gorgeous. From Tlyard. I can't pronounce. It doesn't fit in the boot, it fits in the car. Let's have a quick look. More free stuff for JP. So the post lady has just told me it's pronounced Tlyard. Okay, so let's go for the obligatory unboxing. Yes, it's a car refrigerator that fits on the back seats. So let's just have a look to see what is inside the old box. I have to say, it's well packaged. Ooh, instructions and accessories. Whoa, since when do I read instructions? Right, let's get it out. Ooh, put that down there for recycling. Bit of foam going on. So folks, this is the swanky new fridge, which goes that way. No, it goes that way. On the back seats. Look at that. Looks a bit nice, doesn't it? So I can get 4 tins in there. But let's get it fitted. It's powered, it's got some adjustable feet. So this bracket has got a little lip on it, and that lip is designed to go underneath that little bit of carpet. And it slides under quite easily, and then it's locked in place. Clever that. So I've got the bracket fitted, and this fits quite snugly in that space. And then you've got a pair of these nailed screws, and you've just got to locate the holes, which takes a bit of patience. And then we've got this adapter. So one is USB-C, or they're both USB-Cs, but they're staggered, and that plugs in the top. And there we go. It's operating. It's quite simple to fit. Quite a neat installation. So it fits quite snug. That was a bit fiddly getting those screws in to hold it. Yeah, it's humming away. And obviously you can stick some drinks in there, and there's got a little shelf in there as well. This is what powers it, which is quite a clever design, which I can unplug. So it basically fits into the USB-C just above there. That's obviously shaped to fit snug with the unit, but in reality it doesn't fit snug, but that's me being really picky. So yeah, it warms. We've got a cooling function and a warming function. You press and hold, it beeps, and then you can obviously change the temperature up to 50, that's it, or the cooling function. So we'll give this a go when we're in Spain. Thanks to Tlyard for giving me this to test, and we'll give it a good test when we go down to Spain. Pity I can't get the bottom floor mat in. If it was the normal Tesla mat it would fit, but it won't fit with my 3W heavy duty floor mats in. But yeah, so I've not been able to figure out yet how you turn it off, so I'm going to suggest that I'm just going to unplug the USB-C for when I'm not using it. So obviously I don't want to drain the 12 volt battery in the Tesla, but neat little unit. Yeah, so if you'd like one of these fridges from Tlyard Accessories, use my code Porterfield to get 25% off. But let's see how we get on when we take this down to Spain.